In this video, also suggested by one of our subscribers, we will have an overview of the white ink used on DTG printers, how to use it, how to save some money, and also some tips on how to handle it. And if you too have a question about DTG printing, t-shirt design or print on demand, let us know. But I will talk more about that at the end of this video. Hi everyone, this is Everson from DTG Merch, where we talk about everything you need to know to run a successful t-shirt business. We often create tutorials and other helpful content on topics like t-shirt design, print on demand, and direct-to-garment printing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you are combining DTG printing with designs on dark and black t-shirts, then yes, the white ink is essential. That's because you need a solid white underbase to print the CMYK colors on top of it. The white ink is by far the most expensive, not only per liter, but you require a lot more to get a print done than with CMYK inks. You need a thicker layer of white to get a good coverage of the underbase. One of the keys to save ink, money and time is on the RIP software. Perhaps the most important task of the RIP software is to create an underbase for printing on dark colored t-shirts. A good RIP software will calculate how much white ink is needed at the darker parts of the print and not a drop more. There are more ways to save on white ink, and I will mention two on this short video. When you use color profiles that you create for your printing process and with your materials, you are optimizing the white ink consumption at the maximum level. Another tip for optimizing the white ink consumption is to check if your RIP software is able to create a gradient underbase. With that, it will use less white ink under the dark areas of the print. And there you have it. This is our little overview on the white ink used on DTG printers. You can find more details about it in our online course, DTG Printing Fundamentals. The link to it is in the description below. If you have questions or feedback, drop us a comment below or send us an email to ask@dtgmerch.com. That's all for the moment. Thanks for watching, all the best and see you in the next video.